For some context, you've just called. Okay, so this is the event that they're doing, which is Blast from the Past, and this is essentially stuff from like old Sims games. I have no clue what I need. What? I don't need that. I have 43,000. Um, yes, like you just unlock these rewards, and these clues still aren't out, but we can do these events now. And I'm not sure how long this recording's gonna be, but yeah, here we are. Ha 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 ha. Um, okay. Now the question is, how do we start? You clean, clean. Okay. Oh, I'll explain this family to you first. But okay. Slay Queen. Okay. So this is Andie. Andie's hair will change a lot. This is like the 30th like hair I've given her. That I was planning on giving her streaks at some point. And this is her fuck buddy who lives with her. His name's Jay Huntington. He just lives with her, and like they're probably close enough that they could, actually be in a relationship. Like they're really close friends. They have a very high romance bar, but like they solely just fuck each other. Like that is all. Like I have them flirt and stuff, but they're not gonna label it, okay? And they're never gonna, because they don't want to. Like very clearly, let people live. Anyways, you will notice very quickly that Andy's hair is gonna change a lot because I feel like I overuse this hair with my Sims. She's very pretty, and she has a bunch of tattoos. Cause I did like this other event with them, but since you wanted this recorded, I'll record for you. Yeah. Um. So Andy works as a musician. Like my imagination is she's kind of a nepo baby here, like really rich parents, who clearly set her up for success in life. So she has this like music thing, and she lives in this like weird, this is like the only apartment in my game, this weird lobby with a fake, there's like a Yoda statue and a fake fireplace. Not that that's relevant. Fake reception too. Then the second floor is a bar which they run, and most noticeably this is Jay's passion, because he's in the mixologist career, and like he kind of just got this himself one day. Like originally he was unemployed, and then one day, like before he lived with us, he kind of just was like, like, yo, I'm thinking of a career change. And I was like, go for it, right? And then he was a mixologist. And I was like, okay, look, I love playing like live in bars, although I don't know how long this is gonna be, since The Sims is adding an expansion pack where you can make your own live in business, which means my mod is gonna need to get updated. So I don't know how long they're gonna have a live in bar, but they have one for now. If not, this is a living room, and I will make their bedroom much bigger. He'll get his own bedroom or something. Um, they'll get a proper dining table, not this. That's their dining table. I'll bring it to the apartment a bit later. But yes, it's essentially the place they run. So I call it the Jade Night Blue. I don't know. I make like weird ass names for everything. Um, it's kind of a name I stole from someone in the gallery. A lot of this is stolen from the gallery. Actually, no. I made a lot of this myself. Like the entire apartment's me. Part of the bar is from the gallery. But yeah, like essentially since she's a musician, there's like a huge like, piano, guitar, everything. There's like this cute ass like hot chocolate stand, which is from another events reward. Um there's this like gramophone. Like it's a very like it's a space that's built on listening to music, and he runs the bar and stuff. It's his passion. He wants to become like a mixologist, and he's just in another job to make ends meet. Not that he needs to, but let's say it's for like work experience, or like it's all Andy's money and he doesn't necessarily want to steal it. This is the bed. This is their like house. It's like a tiny little apartment. It's very cute. This is like a Fuglia corridor. So it opens with this Fuglia corridor that opens then into this like space. It's really dark because I have auto lights. But to break it down, living room, no TV. TV is here. This is a TV that looks like a frame. Then that's from an event. There's like a game console somewhere. Wait, I'll put walls down. There's a game console. There. This is their bedroom. Lots of things have happened in this bedroom, don't ask. There's like an entire freezer bunny collection from another, like, from the last events thing I played. Very small kitchen, which, fun fact, because of the Reaper event, Andie has level 10 cooking and gourmet cooking, so she's like a really good chef, and he's the one who's trying to learn how to cook, which is funny. This is like this big ass bathroom. I don't know why it's this big, but yeah, it is that big, and they have a tiniest kitchen instead. This painting, I mean, okay, don't ask. Anyways, that's the house broken down, so it's not really an apartment. It's like faux apartment. So it's a faux apartment, really. Um, yeah, and they live in the same room, like they're close enough. They've seen everything. It's like whatever. This is off center. I don't care. I like slightly expanded the space once, and I've never cared since. Um, yeah, yeah. That's kind of essentially it. So I have to tune into the news, and I can make. I usually make Andy do it because Andy's the semi play. He's a townie who I kind of run away, as you can tell. Very like characteristic. His eyes are kind of weird because they're from like the Grim Reaper event. And I was like, you can look kind of weird. That's cool by me. Like, I feel like my Sims don't look weird enough. So you have to watch news. Okay, I'll wait for that to get done. Is the bar open? Is my question. It is open. I don't want it open. Oh my god, stop coming to my bar. Ruben? Bro, that's crazy. I've never seen Ruben. This is the first time he's come. What station is this? What the fuck? Turn off. Yeah, you watch it, do.
Oh,
I don't even know what's going on. Okay. We've received reports of a potential time traveler in town. Their identity, origin, and purpose remain unconfirmed. However, several Sims have noticed the distinct blue hair of this new arrival they believe to be Emmett Relevard. Over to you, Ginny. Check Emmett's social media. Okay, you can do that since you're up. Okay, you check it. That's like their shared computer. Like I said, these I think that's like an issue with their undefined relationship that neither of them establishes boundaries very well. Not that that's something I've ever explored, because like I said, these people like serve a purpose. Where's social media? Oh, is that on phone? How? Check Emmett's profile. Okay, you can do that on your phone. I don't give a shit. Okay, so he's checking his phone. I never. The news never looks like this. It's very like Sims 2y, if you can tell. Like, it's clearly not the Sims 4, which is usually what they use for news. They may look like the Sims 2, which had a very strong like. No, it's the Sims 3. This one, and Sims 2 was the one with the very strong time travel, alien story kind of thing. Oh, did they kiss? Loves science, technology, believes in time travel, and has blue hair. The description of the news definitely bears a strong similarity to Emmett. It must be him, right? I don't think he'd ask her. Like, he saw it with her. That's not fair. Open the bar. Now, the reason I like the bar is because it fills a lot of social stuff super easily. So I love that little bar. Like I said, I have like this huge softness for living businesses. Now you tend to the bar. You practice your instrument. Like I get a lot of their like work done here. Yeah. A TV would be cool, but like I said, the space was built on the purpose of music. Oh, your work starts in an hour? Yeah, can you ask this lady about Emmett? Can you do it while playing? Or can he do it? Oh my goodness, these people play horrible. Can I ask you about Emmett? Ask about Emmett! Who are you? Oh my god, he's from Basemental and he like deals steroids. Don't come to my reputable business. I'm making this his thing. I would have made it her thing, but she's clearly busy. And heard a loud bang. Maybe that's what you're looking for. Interesting. Ask about Emmett. Mortimer Goth, who I have edited because I know the hair. No. I have to keep a track on this. Why are they all saying the same thing? Yuck. This is a little messy because I have to make sure she gets to work. Are you making drinks for anyone? Okay. Again, you need to go. Yeah. Not seen anyone like that. I tried the park. Everyone hangs out there. Okay. I will just let him tend to the bar. I want to make money. Okay, so Andy's off to work. He doesn't go to... Okay. This career has hard hours. 6 to 2. What is fuck-ass music? There's some horrible music playing. Yeech. Okay, why does no one want drinks? I'm tending the bar. My game is glitchy, is it not? No one wants drinks. I hate these people. Can I change station to something a bit more like... Just play R&B. Oh my goodness. Oh, I must have deleted her hair. Tanya, I'm so sorry. I'll get you your hair, Tanya Goyle. It's okay, maybe she's just rocking it, you know? People are allowed to have fun hair. Okay, we're supposed to finish showering, yeah. Are you gonna take your drink? Need a drink? Thank you. Sashimi. Do they play this at bars? I don't know, I want to hear the Class C music. I don't like classical. The problem is I don't like classical. That's clearly the issue here. I usually just play the alternative station. Because in my opinion, the music should be what I like, not what my Sims like. No, nothing matches the vibe. Oh. Yikes. Oh, blues is what I usually do. That's easy. Yeah. It's a very bluesy place. No one's ordering stuff. I mean, they're clearly rich enough that, like, he could quit his job and we'd be fine. Like, I low-key feel like stealing money from them. Like, I need these people to lose money. They have too much money. You don't need 43,000. I say that and he loses $10, but, like, you don't need the money. Dickens. Like, it really does become a music appreciation space, but, like, yeah. Is this a vibe on scale of 1 to 10? And I'm vaguely overstimulated. When do you come back? Oh my god, level 8? I'll do this at 8 then. Because maybe he's still trying to hear stuff, and all he's hearing is the same thing. Oh, it sounds like he's speaking Spanish. Some Spanish. Who are you talking to, man? Dag. Vassal and Marquise with these guys. Because they're around quite a bit, yeah. Like, Andy knows them a bit better because she's usually the one socializing. I feel like this is clearly very, like, nonchalant bar. Like, it's not necessarily for the drinks. Like, sometimes there's a lot of, like, drinking. That's chill by me because, like, I get the money. Yeah. The question is, who's drinking? Okay. Oh, work for you starts in an hour. Okay, whoever this is, get your drink. We'll close up. Okay, you just take your drink and then I'll make these people go, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm leaving in an hour. I guess that does lead the question. If he has enough money, he has a job. Should I make them broker? Is my first question. Should I make them broker? But like clearly, they live in a very expensive place. And then the question is, why does he run the bar? Why does he work 2 jobs? Should I make him quit his job? What is this? Oh, they're in an open relationship, by the way. Like, I thought it was more for him, but she slept with the Grim Reaper. Just saying, my girl's got it. I've been trying to get him to sleep with people, but like, I just don't play him enough. Like, he's a townie. It's like, it's kind of like some discrimination there. Yeah, so that's on me, but I've never played him enough to actually... Let's see, how am I doing? Okay. What's that? Retro decor phone set. I want to put that somewhere here. It's gonna be cute. Oh. I'll move these. Oh. My goodness. Where can I place that? What was it called? Retro phone, right? Oh, I can get the wall phone. That's gonna be fun. Where does the wall phone go? I guess maybe to like put calls from the bar to the I mean, I usually don't try putting all the like event items up, but I feel like it'll be fun here. It's like a nice place for a phone. The cruddy hallway. Here? I would say here probably would be a nice place. And downstairs, because they do have space downstairs, and this is the place that would want a telephone, you know. I can delete some of the decor. That can go here, and I can keep this here. Yeah, cute. Cute. See, it looks a bit like CC, which is interesting, and it really doesn't work. It's kind of cool, because I feel like these people do like retro-y stuff. Oh my goodness, go to work, man. Go to work. Do not do push-ups. Like the most miserable shift of his life. His needs are... Okay, I did not take care of his needs today. I just noticed. I did not take care of anyone's needs. He's gonna die at work. Great, man. If he dies, I'll be sad. Like, the eyes are weird. Yes. But I've come to like Jay. Like, he's like my go-to townie for a lot of stuff. Just because he's chill. Like, I moved him out from his roommate's place to live with another roommate. But yeah, probably because she's like a gajillionaire. Oh my god, the sim I was working on. Okay, like I said, should we make these like uh poor people cosplaying to be rich? Like these are like rich people just being people. Oh, are you okay? Oh, honey. Oops. My question. The hair. I've like done so much with her hair. It's insane. Change outfits. Change outfit. Don't change it to nude. Do I have an outfit that's cool for you to go to? This one. You can wear this. Yeah, I'll show you what I wanted to try. Okay, I want to get charged. That's the movie I was watching. I'm like curious. So that's girl. She's a Asian baddie. Yeah. Yeah, she looks cool. She's the person you said she looked like this one model, so that's her. See, her hair's a bit different here. Her formal was interesting because I used to make her go meet the Grim Reaper in this because I was like, if the Grim Reaper's there, you're gonna look cool for it, right? Anyways, I'm curious how this looks. Wait, it's number one. This. Oh, she looks so pretty. I don't know what that is though. So I'm a little concerned. No, it's a piercing, not a hat. This? How does it look? Like, do we like this? Do we like the look of this? Looks ugly as fuck. No mind. Ugh. I keep trying to make this work. Her earrings are from the event, so it's like a scythe. I think they look really cool. Yes, I'm always trying to like mess with her hair. Like I dye it and stuff all the time because like I just don't know. I just don't know what to do with it. There's just way too much I feel like I could be doing with it and I'm not. That I believe is her original hair color. I like this though. I like her current hair color. Just like this ish. Like I just feel like I'm missing opportunities. I say with like the ugliest hair. I don't like this hair color. It looks really bad. She's had hair this color before actually. This color, yeah. It's a different hairstyle. So I'm always trying to like change her hair and see what looks interesting. She's had this. She's had this. Actually, she's never had this. I'll try this for this hair. It's interesting. If I didn't have CC, it might have been something I'd go for. Because I never do anything with her hair. Actually, no, that's completely wrong. I always do stuff with her hair, but I've never done this with it, so that could be fun. It's an interesting look. The toothlessness of it, but she looks a bit old. It looks interesting. I like it from the side, from the back. So no, this she looks a bit older in then. Am I gonna get abducted by aliens? No, why am I moving? Oops. Why did I click move? My goodness, I don't want to move. No. None. Travel. Oh, that's why I was like, it's all the way at the bottom. My goodness, I'm gonna die. Where's Emmett? Emmett? Do you see, bro? Oh, she can also fish. Yeah. My girl's been up to a lot in life. I'm sorry, where is he? No, but that guy has bright blue hair. What am I supposed to do? Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, I do not see anyone with bright blue hair. Ah, bright blue hair. Ew. That's an insane look. Friendly introduction, you know, which I don't think she's the nicest person. She's nosy. She's nosy.
Dag dag.
Hey Andy, great to meet you. Why yes, I am Emmett Relevord, technology expert and time traveler extraordinaire. I've been jumping around through time on a bit of mystery and I'm kind of stuck. Have you noticed any unexplained missing items around here? I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Lame.
So.
Ask about missing items. Why are you just on your phone? That's crazy.
Ah. Blurna Pafenskuma.
What's going on? Dag, so. Don't, go. Ask about missing items. Oh no, go B first. It's okay. Go B. Go this girl. We're gonna do this properly and then you're gonna eat. Maybe if you didn't jog, you'd be less hungry.
Flish? Hando.
Oh, Mobsy.
Bobsini, Nabor.
I've been exploring the past where we come from. It's been quite an adventure in simulation. I've noticed some ripples in my travels and suspicions that items through time may have gone missing. Have you or anyone else noticed any things out of place? I don't know, maybe the telephone. Other Sims? My god, they're all the way here. Freddy is crazy. No, Freddy. Don't go, Fred. Freddy. He's Freddy. Happy? From liking comedy?
Doba Harfin.
Oh.
Muy caliente dress that was perfect for dancing, but it's been missing for a while now. Or no, but like, how are these connected? Like, don't ask me, man. Is anyone else at this fuck-ass park at 10:30? I used to come here fishing here a lot. Is it just me or is no one else here? I think there are 3 people at a park in 10:30. Me, Andy, and Freddie. Freddie Marin? Oh, he's a teenager? That's crazy. Oh my god. The save has like base metal drugs in it. It's like, oh, a child. No, oh, you were at the bar, Chadwick.
Bener.
Free pulp. Blurna Pafens. Shivi Merkib. Puntrip Nipso. Dag dag. Crazy. Oh, Bisha.
Oh my goodness, I want to ask you about the missing items. No.
Sharuste okay. Bit of Wix. Me chow. Moisa. Tariq, be Ralph,
Ah.
Illinois.
Ah. Gorba.
Move Quarb.
You also have a missing muy caliente dress. I'm going home. I'll find Jay. Don't tell me your friend had a muy caliente dress too. I live here. I'll let her eat. Though I would not be surprised if there were leftovers because there are perpetually leftovers. This point where I just had to cook a lot for one of these like challenges. It's like I just had so much food stockpiled at home. Ooh. He has like a thing he can drink, right? Where are you, man?
Oh, Floopy.
And it helps something.
Oh,
I've been told because I do need him up to eat. Literally just get leftovers. Oh, and he's to climb 2 flights of stairs because he lives in a quaint little apartment. He's gonna pass out. I could fix this. No, my god. Fix this. Just replace it. I don't care. So much money in this house and I have no reason for them to not replace it for story purposes. Like, I have tried to drain their money. Okay, it doesn't work. Like, all my Sims get too rich. I don't spend enough in The Sims. Okay. No, I don't make her write jingles. Actually, she has like this garden she tends to. This is from the first challenge, and I just like making her tend to it. Let me do. I think the garden makes all the money. I evolve my plants. Okay. How about Jay as the last person? Cause okay, you can just get up at this point, man. Go find her. And you ask her, and then I'm good. No.
Yipsy.
Haven't noticed anything missing. Okay. That's the first quest done, and I am done too. Bye bye.